I got this in the mail and I have no idea what it is. I'm actually lying. I know what it is. I closed a real estate deal and they had to mail me the check because the people that was part of the deal weren't able to sign. That doesn't matter. Point being, they just had to mail me the check. It showed up. So I want to take you when I go and deposit it. And that way I can, it's been a while since I've talked real estate. I know many viewers are interested in real estate or in real estate investing. So yeah, let's open this up. There should be a check in here. There is a check. Okay. So right there, got the check. You got it, Nate?
It's not focusing.
Not focusing.
There you go, I got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. So $83,600. Got to go deposit it, and then on the way, I'm gonna maybe think out loud a little bit about what I got to put this money to use. So how can we grow this money even more? I need your thoughts and suggestions, and I'm going to talk out loud. So let's go on a Friday drive and deposit this check and talk some real estate investing. So what I'm going to do is fill out a deposit slip with apparently the camera guy Nate has never heard of. But what I've learned is, well, the amount is too much to do it online through my phone. So I have to go to the bank, but Nate, I can't believe you've never seen a deposit slip before.
I've seen a deposit slip. My bank just doesn't require them.
All right. Well, regardless, this will save me from having to annoy the people at the teller, and I don't want them annoyed at me. So let me just get this filled out. For those of you that don't have parents, I'm going to give you some quick parent advice. If you have a truck, before you ever drive the truck, check the bed of the truck. Nate, look, this is what you risk. You don't want to have this stuff flying out of the road. By the way, for all you Ohio State fans out there, go Bucks. All right. Nate, are we all clear back there? I'm not missing anything?
No, we're good.
All right, let's go. We're on our way to the bank. I hope you're not offended that I won't be able to make much eye contact for the safety of sweet old little ladies crossing the street. But for those of you that are maybe not familiar with the channel, I do more than just trading. I have my whole kind of theory on wealth building is just you got to diversify not only your stocks, for example, but you want to diversify your income streams. So one of the income streams that I got into several years ago was real estate investing, and I have other videos where I've talked about more so the strategy and all that. In fact, I'll do a quick little plug here. I also offer my moneywithclay.com site a real estate investing course. So if you're curious in that, if you like, maybe you've taken my other courses or you just want to learn more, you can check out the course. I'll put a link down below. But yeah, as you saw there, check for $83,000, I think it was. But the key thing, and kind of what I want to mainly focus on here is just to start off with the principle of, what are you doing with your profits? I'm not saying you should never enjoy your money. I'm not saying you shouldn't go out and spend it, but hopefully, and if I can inspire people, that's good. But you should always be looking, all right, how can I take at least a portion of this money and then grow it some more? And not in a greedy way, but almost in like a challenging way. Like, okay, it's just a big game, and the game happens to be tracked with a score like any game, but the score here is dollars and cents. So for me, there's lots of ways I could go about it. Maybe there's a new way, and that's why, if you got a suggestion down below, real quick, don't be like, hey, give me the money. That's not gonna work. If you want to send me over a business plan and a lot more details, and maybe, but sometimes with these videos, people are like, hey, give it to me and I'll trade, and then I'll give you a portion of the price. No, I know nothing about you from a YouTube avatar, so that's not quite how the world works. But, so I am thinking about ways I could go about it. I could just throw it into the trading account, try to grow it more that way. I could put it into one of my just long-term investment brokerage that I'm using for retirement. The downside with that is, yeah, I mean, you can get some good dividends and, growth from stocks. But it's really just a matter of how fast you want to grow it. But that's kind of what I'm knocking around. Or of course, I could always just keep it in a savings account right now and then wait for some sort of real estate deal to pop up or go actively pursue something. So those are the different routes out there that are have potential. But the way this one worked, and kind of just my strategy in a nutshell, depending on where you live, it's called different things, but here in Michigan, it's called a land contract. Maybe you've heard seller financing, contract for deed. All those are one and the same, but basically, I was the bank on this house, meaning I bought it, I fixed it up, and this was several years ago. So for the past 6-7 years, I've been just the bank, meaning I was never the landlord. So the difference between seller financing and a rental is a rental, if the plumbing breaks, then you have to fix it as the landlord. But with the way seller financing works is, because I'm only the bank, because I only own the debt on the house, if something breaks, then they have to fix it. So that's definitely a very stressless and a very headache-friendly way for me to go about it. The flip side, though, is this right here, meaning they have decided to cash me out like a bank. When you pay off the bank, when you pay off your mortgage, because that's what this was. This was the mortgage, and I just happened to be the bank on it. I am now losing this asset. So this asset is coming out of my portfolio. Now, for me, over the past 7 years, I've collected, I think a whole lot of interest. I don't remember the exact interest amount on this one. And then I've had the principal paid back. But now they're cashing me out for, you know, as you saw, they were the $83,000. And I don't remember the exact numbers, but I'll just put it this way. Between what I got the house for and then what they've paid me over the years in interest and principal and all that sort of stuff, yeah, I'm not complaining that they're taken away, but that is something that you would have to consider if you're thinking between, you know, rental or a seller financing. Is seller financing, there is the threat there that you may actually lose the asset from your portfolio. But like I said, there is the flip side where that also means that you're getting a very big windfall. Now, maybe you're saying, wait a second, Clay, you're getting $83,000 and they're paying you off. What is going on? Listen, this is not Southern California. This is not New York City. This is not San Francisco. Things around here are a little bit cheaper. Now, I did buy several years ago when, you know, everybody else was freaking out, so I definitely got a really good price on it. Wait, I need to go. Where am I going?
You can go either way. It don't matter.
I can go either way?
Yeah.
Do you know where I'm going? The Bank of America on,
yeah.
Okay. Good thing Nate's here, because this wouldn't go well. But let me, oh man, red light.
You got old ladies, babies, and cars.
Yeah, I got all sorts of stuff. There we go, green light. So that is how this deal came apart, or came together, and now is you know, cashing it out. But like I said, circling back to what I mainly wanted to focus on is just the whole idea of what are you doing with your money when you get it? Even if it's just a paycheck from work, does your mindset automatically go to, yep, I got to go buy this, that, and the other? Or are you saying, you know what, how can I take a portion of this once more? I'm not saying you can't enjoy your money. Yeah, go spend some of it. But are you saving some of it? Are you trying to grow some of it? And, you know, even if you don't grow it and you fail, you know what? At least the mindset was there, and instead of just having money go out as fast as it comes in. So that's what I do. That's what I like to do. And, you know, that's kind of another almost behind the scenes here at Clay Trader. If you're, like I said, newer to the channel, I realize for you longer term subscribers, you've seen these videos before and you know I'm in real estate. But yeah, multiple streams of income. This is why, and just a few weeks ago, I guess, I did the full-time trader is a bad goal video. But this is what I mean. It's a bad goal for me to just be, no, I only want to make money from trading and that's it. No, I want checks for $83,000 to show up in the mail from other streams of income, in this situation being, you know, so I got to take a left here, right?
Yes, sir.
Being oh, there's the green arrow. Let's speed up. What that was a good 2 seconds.
That was pretty short.
Yeah, okay. That was a little ridiculous, but we got to drive without emotion too, just like you trade. So if this can inspire you, that's great. But I'd like to challenge you. It's totally possible. Multiple streams of income exist. Clearly, you've seen the trading stuff time and time again. But now here's some stuff from real estate. And, you know, there's all sorts of different ways you can get out there and get creative. So go out and do that. And, yeah, that's the next time you see me. I'll just be walking out, and I'll have the check cashed. And then I'll wrap this up. All right, I'm at the bank. I need to go cash this. I'll be right back. Hopefully, it'll be very, very quick. All right, I got it. He was super nice. It was very efficient. So go long, BAC, Bank of America. They're running a good operation in there. But yeah, so got this, made the deposit, and go out there, grow your money. Don't spend it, don't waste it all. Have a little fun with some of it, but take on the challenge. Multiple streams of income, trading, looking at real estate, looking at, I don't know, the drop shipping. I don't know how viable that is. I don't know how much you can make in big amounts, but it could very well be a nice stream of income. But get out there, diversify those streams of income.